8121 East leading a 112 coming. Apparently we got a 113 coming. Apparently we got a 113 coming up also.
We have to wait at the diamond. 113 is coming in on the north, so we didn't want to proceed for too long. They just called me across the Stern River. So we should be meeting them pretty shortly here, and then we'll be out of town once 113 clears the Kern River switch.
113's coming, and the gates are going off. Gates are going down now.
It will be a Volker meet with 101 and a 323 is my understanding.
So 101, he could be one. Shit, that crossing gate scared me. That crossing gate scared the fuck out of me. Nice power, bro. Nice power. Yeah, there's 113 coming up also. Man, this guy's gonna be going so slow due to the 113. We got a 113 coming up also. So we're in for another double meet. I don't know about a triple meet. A triple meet is possible. Who knows? He's got a whole bunch of auto racks up front here. Is that the CP detector? The defect detector going off? I don't know. I think the defect detector is going. Damn, I wish my radio could pick up the defect detector further east. And I see him, he's just right in front. He's passing me.
You'll be conductor Bill, go ahead. 1200 feet to clear. Conductor Bill.
Got a 113 coming. 112 followed by the 113. So a double meet today. It's been at least 2 weeks since I got a train meet. I remember the last time I had a train meet was in mid-January of this year. 112 with a Union Pacific engine in the middle, which met 113. Okay, he's beginning to book. He's booking right now. Should be coming, and these goddamn auto racks are so huge. These goddamn auto racks. I don't think this is 112. It looks like 120. This looks like CP 120. It could be 120. I haven't had a 120 in a hell of a long time. Unless it is 113, I don't know, or 112. It could be 120. 120 with 120 and 113. 120, because I don't see any container cars yet. Come on, how many more auto wrecks? How much autos are on this trade here, guys? Oh, he's slowing up to 113. I don't know if we'll be able to see 113 because with the 120 here, I think it's 120. I'm pretty sure it is 120. CP 120. I don't know how long this 120 is gonna be. I think it's 120. It's been a long time since I had a 120, but the auto racks are all loaded up. It's not always loaded auto racks. Sometimes it's empty, sometimes it's loaded. 120. He only runs when needed. The 120. So I'm gonna say this is 120. It's fucking cold. I should have. Not using my tripod because once again it's too windy for a tripod. 8899 West. I don't know if it's another westbound or it could be the 113 coming behind that. He's a long 120, so this must be 120. He only runs when needed. I hadn't had a 120 since fucking. Sorry guys for moving on a time. Oh, it was zoomed in and I didn't even know it was zoomed in. Oh, I hear 113. Where's 113? He should be coming any minute now. I hear the DP. I think I hear the DPU on the 113 or 112. So the leading is going to be 88.99. Look at that. I see. Oh yeah, 70 knot 2 is the mid DPU on this 120. Even though the radio called out, I don't know if it called out 112. I don't see any intermodals. So far this looks like 120. He only runs when needed. It's been 1 year since I had a 120. And look at this. 70 knot 2 is the DPU on this train. And the 88.99 should be there. 70 knot 2, look at that. The SD90 Mac rebuilds. Look at that, guys. Look at this, folks. EMD power on this 120. Could be 120. I'm just guessing that it's 120. I'm not seeing any intermodal cars yet. And now we should have 113 coming up any minute. After this, I gotta get home soon. Where is he? Oh, here comes 113. Behind the 120. The 88.99. 88.99. I'm pretty sure it's 88.99. Yeah, 88.99 later. It's an ES44 AC. The chamber blocked by 120. So yeah, this train, that westbound container train is 113. It's too bad it's blocked by 120. Not 112, unfortunately. Hey, wait a minute. I see containers? No, it's another auto rack, unfortunately. I decided to stand on here instead, just to change things up. Yeah. I don't know how long he's gonna be. 113's booking behind the 120. My friend said it was... The radio called out 112, and my friend said it was 112, but it doesn't look like 112 to me. It looks like 120. Yeah, 113's booking. I didn't see the lead unit's number, but I heard it on the radio. It's 88.99. ES44 AC. The leader on this 113. He's booking. Man, look at that. And it's 120. I'm just guessing that it's 120, guys. Because it sure doesn't look like 112. 106. So this is 106. Sounds like it got renamed to 106. This auto rack train. So this is CP 106. It's been a week since I've seen something. I know I went last Saturday and nothing came by, unfortunately. Clear signal at 113 passing behind the 106. This is CP 106. Is that the end of 106 over there? I don't think it is. Let's zoom in. Yeah, 106 is taking forever. Whoa, there it goes. And the battery's on my camera. Shit. Yeah, this is CP 106 that we're seeing right now. 113, which is right behind, passing behind the... Fuck! Of course the fucking auto racks are in the way, but it's probably nothing appealing for all I know. I don't think it's anything appealing. Behind this 106, the only appealing sight that we've seen is at 70 knots too. Check the text to see if 113 had anything appealing. I don't think it did. I know I had a 113 last week. Oh, my phone. Right where I want it. Nothing appealing on that guy that's passing behind me. Okay, 113's getting ready to clear now. I can 106. There's the end of 106 right now. Yeah, there's the end of 106. This is 106. It's all auto wraps. A new designation. I guess it got renamed 106. I guess maybe 120 got renamed to 106. It's auto wrap train. Can't go around it. That's dumb. Now we got 150. There goes 120. Now we just have 113 going by us right now. Everything's frozen because it's cold right now. The lead unit was 88.99 on 113. Didn't see the big levels nor the front of the train, but because of 106, they like to see what's on the back of the train, the back of one. Oh, I can see the DPU on 113. Looks like it's ES44 AC at the back of this 113. Yeah, ES44 AC. That was 113. On this evening, and who knows if there's a 101 coming? If there is a, they didn't mention a 101. If he is coming, he could not be far off. Like, who knows? But anyways, successful day, rail findings.